Yeah?
No, bath.
Bath?
Yeah.
You want to take a bath?
Yeah. Why?
Or you want to take a bath with Riley?
Yeah.
How about Riley take a shower with Daddy?
Yeah.
And then Chase take a bath?
Dad.
Yes, Chase?
Why?
Where's Riley?
Why?
Is Riley sleeping?
Yeah.
Is Riley awake or asleep?
Wait.
He's awake?
Yeah.
Are his eyes open or closed?
No, wait.
He's awake.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you all done with your pizza? Can you say all done?